Hello everyone, Main Simulator Game here and welcome to another West Coast Mainline South video. Is it me? Or has the 390 been patched a little bit? Because I don't remember the train in this day. All that on the top, I don't remember that being there. Maybe it's just because we're not on the line. TPWS, DSD, AWS, Vigilance, and there should be AWS. There we go. All safety systems turned on. Lights, doors, lights, camera action. No, we should be going soon though. Calling at Watford Junction and Milton Keynes. This is 1 Foxtrot 1-1. London Euston to Liverpool. I'm sure. Right, let's get those doors closed. Off we go. Off it goes. Yeah, look at this. Why is it so filthy? I don't remember them being this filthy last time I played. So I had updates. What's the speed? 25 like Euston doors. 390 006 today's journey. Doing back to I thought that there's some London North Western Railway 350s. Or, sorry, London North Western Railway 350s. Anyway, coming out of London Euston, we've got an X to show that we're going to be doing a bit of wrong line running. Got to go over and under to get to our line. Bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce. Bit of suspension. Can't wait for the GWE remaster when that comes out. Going to play that to no end. Any of you are F1 fans? Have you seen the F1 25 grand reveal ceremony thing? Yeah. I personally won't be buying it, but it's nice to see a trailer for a game, regardless of how good or bad said game may be. Down the hill we go. Got a 9-car Pendolino today, not an 11 car. Going, well, this service will be going to Liverpool Lime Street, but we're even taking it as far as Milton Keynes, all the way up here. Oh, that's bad shit. All the way up here. Nice. But let's not accelerate too quick, please, because we do want to hold speed. We don't want to be in trouble for speeding. Well, I don't actually want the speed limit, it's 30. So we can speed up a little bit. So count about 8 stanchion posts, but we don't have any stanchion posts in it. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And oh, hello. Right down to 15, when that? Don't know, but let's get moving. This might be a nice place for a little screenshot. Oh, we're coming over on the points. I didn't realise that. Oh, hang on. Let's not put a bit of swaz on it, Gromit. Yes. Can we put a bit of rotation on it? Nice. Hang on, I'm going to try and set something up here. I'm going to make this cool. Ooh, yeah. No, I have the wrong angle now. There we go, that's better. We're not going across the point? We are. Going across, isn't we? Yeah, but no, it's that track that goes across. We're staying straight. Or something like that. Yeah, we can now do 50 mile an hour there, so let's get speeding up. 50, then we've got the 55, then the 80, then the 100, 110, 120, and then 125, just by Wembley. Oh, and there's another Pendolino. I think that one's come from the Intercity depot. Give them away. Because it's on the slow line, so it must be ECS. Yeah. I'll get a bloody echo for you, but yeah. 5 Hotel 04, 50 mile an hour, added speeder. So alright, as long as you rectify it quickly. The speed says on. No, it's not. The speed says not. How rude. The speed is 55 mile an hour, but some happy with past the sun. Say, would have done yeah, correct. Nice to see that we're not stupid. I can't really see much apart from the buttons that are illuminated. I don't want to pull like emergency stop or something, so we're just going to refrain from touching buttons at the moment. As tempting as it is to press them all. Everyone's eardrums about, oh hello, HKA service. You'll be going down through to London that way. You'll join up that North London lines and I'm speeding. No, 100 mile an hour again. Never mind, we're not speeding. We're genius. We're genii. If you're wondering why it's 2 separate limits, that's because our train is the yellow board. That's the limit that applies to us, because we have tilting, which means tight curves. This train will take a lot better because it tilts, which means we can go faster rather than some corners is 35 miles an hour faster if we weren't have tilting systems enabled. Which makes me laugh that they picked trains to replace Voyagers that had tilting, albeit they all had to be disabled because it was trying to save the trains that now don't. Yeah, those being fighting the M7s, unless they do tilt, I don't think any Hitachi trains. 6 tilt. Hello, what are you going so slow for? It's hello. This is November 06. We're back into the off position. We're about 105 green signal. We would love to see. There's a 120 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're wondering why I'm counting to 6, I'm just counting how many electric posts go past, because that's roughly our train. It's about 6 stanchion posts, I would have said. When on the old 9 car Zoom, I think it's about 9 posts. If you're in an 11 car Pendolino, I'd say it's about 8 posts. Well, it depends how far posts are apart, because I'd say this is sort of standard for how far apart they are. Obviously, if they're closer together, then a bit more. Freight trains in there. Nice to see. HKA is an oval. Lots of things to see. Which is what this route isn't short on. Things to see. few train lines. Why aren't they on the map? They're not there in real life. Is it a fake train line? Who knows? The mystery of it. Be nice to know. Here we come through Harrow and Euston, so I'd say we're about a quarter of the way through today's journey already. We've not even left London really yet. So I'd say this is sort of where you leave London. There's a 12 p.m. This is where the London Underground ends. The London Overground ends at Watford, but that's Hertfordshire, not London. So I'd say, yeah, this is sort of the end of London. Zooming along the back now, it's awesome. Green signals all the way. The service does take 41 minutes, normally they will take about 39 minutes, so I'm wondering if it's supposed to be slowing down for a signal anyway. That's Hatch End, not Carpenter's Park. I believe it's not. It's Hatch End. Oh no, Headstone there. Is that Hatch End? Yeah. Then you as you go through Hatch End, you can stop without slowing down. Sort of idle on the coast, because we're slowing down to 110 in a minute. Slowing down around this corner will be Carpenter's Park, that's where we need to slow down for the 110. And then as we go through Bushy at 110, we need to start slowing down for Watford Junction. And we're on 9 car train station, we're actually not going to the end of the platform at Watford Junction. Let's begin to slow down before Taz kicks off and throws us on the brakes, slaps the brakes on. And back again in the cab. Right, no more braking now. I've got places to be. Slowing down. Well, not slowing down, but there's the 110 limit, which we're under, so we're alright. Bushy is just here, so we'll start slowing down after that. It's taking us 15 minutes from London to Bushy. Step 2 braking, step 3, that's unrealistic there, because this, I've said this so many times, but in real life, this platform's locked up, when the Bushy once this platform's locked up, then you can get on it, unless there was a train there for whatever reason. Right, slow down to 75 mile an hour, and release brakes to brake step 1. I really like the sun coming up. It's what, 10 to 7, so yeah, the sun will fully be up at this time. I mean, the sun's like up from 6 now, which is a lot better. It wasn't like 7. Slowing down towards Watford. Oh, didn't see that. In the orange stuff. There's a Southern Place and something over there. I hear a 350 somewhere. Right, 3 to 5 car, that's not us. 6 to 8, so we will actually be going to the end of the platform. Yeah, mine's 12. That is nice. So we'll continue slowing down all the way to Watford. Slowing down, yeah, Watford like it's ages away. There we go. Can't see the stop marker, so that's what I'm guessing. I know with LNEO I assume there's once you can't see the stop bar time, that's when you stop. Here at Watford, 3 minutes early. It's not to sit back, relax, I'm putting it into neutral with yeah, I'm more than happy with that. That's good enough. Next stop, Milton Keynes, departure time 7:17. No, it's not. For Milton Keynes it is, but not from here. Oh, that would be one heck of a wait. What time's this guy due off? Should we go have a cigarette outside the cab? Oh, hang on. 350, yeah? Don't tell me that's the 350 we could hear braking. Oh, you can't get out. Use the cab. Have I not used the cab door before? You can't get out the cab. It's not like in a Zoom. Oh, right. You have to go through the crew door, wouldn't you? It's all the way down there. Here, you wouldn't really be allowed out the cab then. You can enter service, would you? Oh, look. Southern's off. Those electro stars barely make a sound when they're on thingy. What do you call it? AC mode on the wires. Pandolino going off as well. 350 should come in any moment now. I think we're going to close doors 30 seconds prior to departure because this thing is slow at accelerating. So let's get the HUD off and we'll be leaving at 53:30. Heck, 33 would be a bit late. Maybe we'd be ridiculously early, who knows? Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close. Off we go. Take you off. Right, I think that's a notch 1 power. Oh, it is now. Oh no, train spotter, or geezer. Right, come on. We couldn't go any slower than this, could we? See what I mean about this thing accelerating slowly? I get that it's 30 years old. Come on. It's very good at holding speed when it gets there, but it's so slow at getting there. Oh, mate, how you doing? Enjoy that. Right. We'll wait till we get 15 miles an hour and we'll put another bit of throttle on. And then we'll put the final notch of throttle on once we get to 20 and we should rocket forward from there. Got about 30 miles to Milton Keynes. We have till about 7:30 to get there. No, 7:20 to get there. Right, there we go. See, now once we get past 20 miles an hour, it's a rocket. Look at us go. We're zooming along. Nobody's going to be able to catch up to us at this rate. Why does it feel like 60 when you're going on the motorway? Not that you're driving, well you might be driving, but 60, 70 on the motorway feels like you're flying on, but on a train it just feels like you're barely moving. That's what trains are about. Peasantry speed limits. 80 miles an hour. Speed has gone up to 115, I'm sure. Yeah. 85. We're getting there. We are certainly moving along. 90, top speed right mainline. it gets that signal, goes up to 125. Looks like it's zooming. Not long now until we start going through places like King's Island, Apsley, Holyhampstead, Berkhamsted used to be 110. Was it a double time? I don't know if it was a green banner repeater. Meantime, the signal's green. Being the yellow signal in front of us means we're catching us on the black line. There's a orange banner continuing service for locals with a DRS 66 in front. I don't think it's just bought 350. So, oh, hang on, we'll have to do 125 then. I can't see any MTs. Ah. There we go. There we go. Speed's out on 120. What are we catching up to? Where is it? We're catching up to nothing, mate. What's that red signal for? Just because I feel like it. Fair enough. Right, white banner underneath that. That one must have not been replaced for a while because it's not got a green LED. It's been posted, I think it's been posted bus station now, I'm going to show you this. There is a bus carriage there. By the way, we were playing Peak Forest the other day, you should be watching this, and I found out Chinley is on the Hope Valley line. Pardon me, Chinley is on the Hope Valley line between Sheffield and Manchester, and it's like the halfway point. It's also only a 2-platform station. With the map lock, so Chinley section is now closed. Apart from somewhere where there's a one-line over it to Peak Forest Quarries. All those. Nice. Loved. It's one of my favourite albums. I love. There are some very good British trains in this now, which is good. We've got the 66. That's quite nice. We've got the 710, 700, 350s, and the 380s. Personally, I find nice and fun. 350. 313, 314, and then what is it there? Got the 395, that's one nice, the 801, that's quite nice. And there's lots of good trains now for TSW, which is good. So you've got the 150 and the 153 that just came out for the Transport for Wales Cardiff City network. So, well, you can tell us how to help us for. Can't speak a word of English. 25, 150. Right, this is where Berkham stands again. Oh, I found out these little spanners, these things here, these little grids and signals, so that if you were messing around with a spanner and fixing this, so you don't use your spanner actually, put your spanner up here on the wires and tip yourself. So yeah. Oh, tunnel's got grass growing out of it. Come on, let's not. Let's just behave, please. That would have derailed on train, that ballast in a pile up like that. 125 mile an hour, got places to be. Milton Keynes, unfortunately, not very nice places. Should be there in about a quarter of an hour. So yeah, we'll be about 40 minutes. It's because of the weight of Watford Junction. quite a few 350s coming south now, so not as many 390s as before. I wonder if the 350s are going to start bringing wires then, allowing more family services to. That's what they always do, wires. They are made out of cheese string in fairness. So it's like, because obviously when you see what your trains were cancelled due to the damage to the overhead electric wires, it's not nice, but they are literally made out of cheese string. Tilting train, maximum speed, 40, no smoking, twice. So can you smoke once? You got one cigarette in your mouth? Not two. 390, 006, the number one end of the train, which is at the Glasgow end, and the number two end of the train at the London end. There's a train service. No, that's not a train service. That's not a train service. It's a 2 kilo service. Could be a train service actually. Yeah, it is a train service. How is one? Tube Tango L2. Oh, hang on. Relax. Yeah, I quite like doing the train services because they don't take too long. It's about 40 minutes, so they'll stop at what? London, Euston, obviously, Harrow, Euston, Watford, Kings Langley, Apsley, Emerald Hempstead, Berkhamsted, Trent. They don't stop at much, they literally skip all the stations to Watford Junction. I mean, I think the peak time services do stop at Bushy, but I don't think they all do. Oh, look, there's another Pendelino. Give him a wave. Hello. I think he's a 9-car variant like us. Nice. And green signals all the way. But hopefully one day we'll get the layers that are hidden from us. Like Flying Scotsman layers and the 87 layers. Not that I own the 87, but we're quite nice. Ah! No! Not got emergency brakes on, has it? Thank God. Press Y instead of B because those buttons are close to the Xbox. I wasn't looking at my controller. I thought we'd lost it then. Yeah, it seems to be alright. God. I'm definitely going to think more like. Oh yeah, tanks. Cheddington, so we're really involved in things now. Cheddington, Leighton Buzzard. Cheddington, Leighton Buzzard, Bletchley, Milton Keynes. Yeah, so we really not that many stations to go. Normally we arrive at Milton Keynes a couple early, so no. What do these dots mean? Anybody know? Has anybody seen like these dots here? A, B, C, like the little dots. I wonder if you can see what it's But yeah. A couple of times. Does look so good zooming along like that. Driving this in the Lake District would look awesome. Hopefully there's a scenario somewhere. Drive the sim west between on over Shat and get it. I do intend to get that route. I'm waiting for a sale. It's a bit much for any TSW route of any quality. So it's not that quality of route is bad for the price, it's just the price is too high. Oh look, there's a Pendelino. Hello, Mr. Pendelino. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yeah, I think he's in 11. Is he? No, I think it's just in line. I feel like I'm going really slowly. It's because I'm expecting an emergency brake application. There's the change in substation, hence at the neutral section, which I didn't miss the point. uploading just then. There's a 2 kilo sense. Should take him about an hour. 125 around here, 90 if you're not on EPS train. We need to do a run on here in the 800 really. I can't be asked to fucking rewrote and all that nonsense. Yeah, proper zoom in on, by the way. Looks awesome. Tilting lean and low train. Oh, look at this. Oh, no, look awesome. Literally tilting like a motorcycle. Oh god. Just trying to get her quick. Oh. That was a nice thing. Can I just get your attention? That's better. Right. There we go. Really nice. Tilting stuff. Of course, going to give you motion sickness. Ooh. And back round to the centre. I wonder how they manage the stability of that, because like if you got served food, which I imagine you would do on these sort of trains, because you do on Hellenius and Chimney Fans, like that Hellenius, I have one over in the food while they travel, so surely like you would just go everywhere, do you know what I mean? Like, you would just lean into the corner. Oh, there's a freight train crashing into there. You'd lean into the corner. Or you'd like tea or coffee or whatever, or just be all over the side. Stable. There's a tilting. There's another 2 kilo service. Oh, hang on. Shush. The Euston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, Martin 7, EWS, normal. I hope I'm about 66 and then come back and take this. It's all the way in the distance down there. Leaving for the dust. Have a bit of that like, swivel on it. Here's Bletchley carriage signs somewhere around. No, that's north of Bletchley. Probably flat, so it's unfortunately, numbnuts over here forgot to save it, so if you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, turn the notifications, make sure you never miss another upload. Unfortunately, that just highlights the performance issues and the what's the word? The optimization of Train Sim World 5 core routes is still not there, even after all this time. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.